Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today we're going to take some really cool old birthday cards, recycle them into new birthday cards. Now you can get as elaborate and complicated as you want, but today I'm going to make this really simple. So my grandson's birthday was yesterday, and my granddaughter's birthday, his sister's birthday, is today. And so we're having a family celebration, and I don't really like to give them physical gifts anymore because they just have too much stuff. My daughter actually told me one time, I don't want any more stuff. We want to have experiences. So I just started giving them money, and they can set aside for different experiences. So that's what's going in these cards, is some moolah. Now, this particular card was given by my sister several years ago. And so all I did was I ripped this off, and I'm going to set it aside. I could probably use this for something else. Maybe cut this and use it for earring hangers or whatever. Or I could cut it and just maybe have the kids draw a picture, and it could be another birthday card. We're going to use this today. This is very simple, very easy. Like I said, if you wanted to get more elaborate, you could, but I'm just going to turn this over. I'm going to write her a little sweet note from Gaga. I'm going to stick some money in an envelope, which, by the way, I was lucky enough years ago. A friend of mine used to work for, I believe it was Hallmark, some card place, and they were throwing all these envelopes in the trash. I mean, I literally dug them out of the trash. She could not give them to me, but I found out that they were in the trash. So yes, I went dumpster diving and got a whole big old stack of them. So I'm just going to reuse these. And to be honest with you, I'm not even going to put her name on this because guess what? We could recycle this envelope again. So I've got one down and one to go. This particular card actually came from my Uncle Mark. This was what it looked like. It was for one of the kids years ago. Isn't it cute? And I thought my grandson would really like this. So I just cut kind of decorately, you know, not just, but a little interest in there. That is going into the trash. And we have us a cute little card here. I'll just write a little note. And again, I was able to find an envelope from that stash of mine. Now, just some other ideas that I could have done is I could have just cut out this football and put it on some scrapbooking paper and made another different little card. I could have cut this guy out and maybe this guy or something, but you can do all kinds of things by recycling cards. There are so many really cool cards out there. Another thing I could have done is maybe cut this out and like gotten a scrapbooking paper and glued that up there like that, and then maybe taken him and put him here, and then on the other side put the football, and then written some type of a note on it. But I see so many cool cards and they just go in the trash. So why not recycle them? So now I got all my cards ready. All I have to do is stick some money in there and hand it to them. Just a little short story here. I remember when my kids were little, one of my sons in particular, I was putting him down for a nap. He was about between 2 and 3, and he wanted his Happy Day books. He kept asking for his Happy Day books. Well, come to find out, it was his birthday cards. He had just had a birthday, and he called them his Happy Day books. He loved looking at them. So another idea would be to take some of these really cute cards, especially for the kids, and put them in a book form. Maybe I should do that. that as a video. What do you think? Anyway, let me know if you have any good ideas to recycle any types of cards. And thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.